I am going to show you how I glued some glasses. I repaired a broken frame on some plastic glasses and plastic frame glasses. Usually it's very difficult because you can't easily clamp them and the glues don't seem to work too good. I guess, you know, the standard types of quick setting glues like the ethyl, cyano, acrylic, and the other types are like airplane glues. But generally I find that that's been a problem with adherence to polystyrenes. I think there are some special kinds of glues that have additives you can put for plastics, which is usually a difficult issue. I did try this one, it worked very well. It's the JB Weld Plastic Bonder, and I was actually surprised it worked as well as it did because it's kind of soupy compared to the other types of epoxies that I've used by this brand, but it was very good for this. So the break, you can maybe see a little bump, is right here on the top of the frame, and clamping is extremely difficult with these if you use standard kind of clamps, even with the soft tips. So I couldn't really do much even with the good adhesive until I figured out that something that would be very flexible would work best for clamping. And what I found was a rubber band. So I actually looped it, brought it into the side here, and wrapped it around. Tried not to get onto that one spot. But anyway, you know, you can just do what you find is comfortable with the rubber band. You can wrap it several times depending on the size of the rubber band. Then I found after wrapping the rubber band, I had to wipe the glasses a few times because the glue kind of smears a bit when you're wrestling with the rubber band. So I wiped it with Scott's towels off the lens and it worked fine. So then I just let it set. It's supposed to set for about 30 minutes, but I actually let it set longer than that since I had no need for those glasses at the time. I let them go ahead and set overnight. And I was surprised it worked really well. So the glasses haven't had any kind of repeat breaks at that point. And it was a very easy system. Rubber band's excellent for clamping something like that. You know, pulling all the sides together at different angles because you have such an odd shape with an eyeglass. And the Weld, JB Weld product for plastic bonding worked very well too.